Supposedly, this machine gives you the perfect manicure in seconds. This product has gotten over 50 million views on my YouTube channel, but I've seen the comments and I've seen other people's videos wondering if this actually works. So today we are putting it to the test. We're gonna go through, no cuts, no edits. We are reviewing the viral manicure machine and we're gonna find out if it works or not. So this is the Coolmaker Go Glam Nail Studio. I picked this up at Target for around $25.49 to be exact. I wanna go ahead and unbox it with you so you can see everything that it comes with. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. Now this has a few different steps inside. So here's everything it comes with. You have 2 nail color polishes, a top coat, the manicure machine where you paint your nails, and then the manicure machine where you stamp the pattern on your nails, and then you get 4 different patterns to stamp. It's getting a little hot in here, so we're gonna take this off and get ready. I love doing unboxing, so we're gonna just take everything out of the packaging. I feel like sometimes this packaging can be a little crazy, but this one's pretty easy. Oh. So it comes with pretty detailed instructions. I have done this before, so I think I'm good on this, but if something goes awry, I will be referring back to those. So for the stamp patterns, you get this flower, hearts, butterflies, and smiley faces. It actually comes with a holder for the stamps so that you have a nice place to store them, which is so great. First of all, we want to pick out a stamp that we're going to be using today. I feel like we should try as many as we can. I feel like because it's spring, we should do the butterflies. First things first, we are going to take the stamp that we picked and I'm going to put it into the machine. You want to make sure the symbol is facing up, and I think it literally just pops in like that and we're ready to go. Now we're gonna set this aside for later. Now it's time to pick our nail color. It comes with pink or purple. I think I'm gonna do purple because I have, if you can see, this really pretty purple French manicure on my hand. So I think it'll complement my current manicure really nicely. So this is a very interesting nail polish container. You can see it has this rubber tip. That is gonna be very helpful for going into the next stage of getting a super quick manicure. I have to say, for packaging though, it's pretty straightforward to open this one. I think this is our final step. So we will put this off to the side. So we have everything ready to go. We have our nail polishes, we have our stamp ready to go. And then this is what we're gonna use to paint our nails. I wonder if they have a name for this. There's no words on it, it's just letters. So before you use the nail polish, you wanna prep the nail polish. So it says you wanna kind of press down. So we just wanna press down and make sure this is ready to go. So you can see some nail polish came out and we're just gonna dot it around, it's saying, just to get it kind of ready to go. So we know it's working. I brought you in closer so you could see everything we are doing with the nails. Now we decided to go with the purple nail polish. So first step is we have to paint the nails. So let us see. You know what? I think I'm gonna do my ring finger. I think that'll be really, really pretty. So this is going to be step 1 of painting the nail. This is the machine. So you put the finger in that you wanna paint, and then when you close this down, you put your nail through the machine and you can pull it down with the tab and you can see it fits perfectly in there, which is really exciting. And this ensures that the nail polish just goes on the nail and doesn't get on the surrounding skin. It makes it super, super easy. Now I will say there is a little bit of a learning curve with this, but it's pretty easy. So you just wanna pump 1 time. You don't want too much. You want a thin coat on the nail. So once you have your spot of nail polish and your nail is in the machine, you just wanna take this, and I would typically do this flat, but I wanna hold this up for you guys. You're gonna press this down and create a circular motion with this. And you start to paint the nail like that, and you just kind of stamp it around until you get it exactly how you want the nail to look. And remember, it's better to have a thin coat because you can make it a little bit smoother. If you have a lot, it might not work as well. So nice thin coat here is gonna be the key. All right, so our nail is painted. That was super easy. And what makes this so great is then you just go ahead and pop this up and slide your nail out. Now the next important part is you let this dry for 4 minutes. You want it to be sticky and not too dry, but not too wet. So 4 minutes is the perfect spot. All right, and now that my nail is dry, we are gonna stamp the butterfly pattern onto the nail. So all you have to do is insert your nail into the machine. You're gonna feel a little circle where you're supposed to stop. Once the nail is nice and flat in there, all you do is push this purple button on top. And then when you slide your nail out, oh my gosh, look at how perfect that came out. That literally took seconds, and I have this beautiful butterfly nail to go with my manicure. I love how this came out. And now you don't want to forget to do the top coat so it stays. So I'm just gonna do that last. It's gonna add this really beautiful shine to our design. So a few questions I've seen is if this will work with other nail polish. Not to my knowledge. So I feel like there's something with this formula that lets the stamp stick right to the nail. Let me show you the results one more time because this is stunning. We really put this to the test today, and I think it's safe to say it actually works. There is a bit of a learning curve, so I can totally see why sometimes this fails for people, or I've seen skeptical comments. But anyways, I'm gonna do my other ring finger. I need you to let me know if I should do the hearts, the smiley faces, or the flowers. So make sure to leave a comment down below, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.